High wind watch remains in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday morning. What? East winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Northern Wasatch Front, especially areas prone to canyon winds such as Centerville, Farmington, and near the mouth of Weber Canyon. When? From Monday evening through Tuesday morning. Impacts. High winds may move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Strong crosswinds will be possible for north and south running routes like US-89, I-15, and the Legacy Parkway. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger may occur. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts.